Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to give another example of demand. Like I said, demand and supply, the strategy, the strategy that I explained in the last step explanation video. So from here I can see a demand zone, but the zone is really big, so it doesn't fit into our description. This is the last candle. You can see how wide the zone is, and this is what I don't like. Although you can see the candlestick already start reversing, but because the zone is so big, it will have to come back down here. So I won't use this demand zone. Rather I would okay, this is another demand. You see how price left this consolidation. This is another demand, how price went up. So let's find, okay, this is a supply, a two candle supply, but I won't use it again. It has been used and it's short. Okay. Okay, this is one that is good. I think our last video I marked this place, but I didn't get to use it, and now price has come back to that place. So let's see. Okay, okay, price already reacted to it. Now I will go to a lower time frame to get a good view. Let's see. Now this is now I want to get a good price action. If I were here when I saw this candle, this shooting star, I should have gone with the downward direction, but let us wait. Let me see what kind of candlestick will appear here. I need a good candlestick pattern. When I see a good candlestick, remember this is the lower time frame. When I get a good candlestick pattern, I will enter from the lower time frame. Okay, let's see. A good candlestick. No, this is not it. Price is still in the demand zone, sorry, in the supply zone that was taken from the past. This looks good, and what I will still see something better. Okay, no, I want to see something, a good demand zone. Let me go back to the 1 minute. Okay, this is a good sign based on candlestick pressure. This is a good sign. So if I get another one, no. Euro NZD, I'm coming. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Binary. Okay, we'll get there soon. Let me change to 1 minute and see what is happening there. 1 minute. Okay, I got it now. This is a fake, like I told you, the fake breakout happened. Now in the lower time frame we have an uptrend. You see, all the areas are aligned upward. Let's see. Oh, okay, I'm using, yes, this is the 10 seconds, okay, and in the 1 minute, okay, the 1 minute is okay. Okay, the 1 minute we still have a downtrend. You see in the lower time frame we have an uptrend. Look at the EMAs, but in the higher time frame, which is much more stronger, we have a downtrend. But this downtrend is kind of going into an uptrend, but it's generally still a downtrend because 200, the 50, the 100, the 20, they are all facing down. This is a ranging market already. So let's see how this one ends so that we can see how the demand and supply works in real time. From here I took my trade using one of those features I told you, and for this it was the fake breakout. There are three ways price reacts when market reacts when it gets to the demand or supply zone, which is one is rejections, and this was the first time price got there. You see the rejection with this candle, a pin bar candlestick. In this case the pin bar is a shooting star. The second is a fake out, and the third is when the trend changes in the higher time frame. the trend changes, and you can now use this supply, sorry, as a demand zone. So this is how we use demand and supply. So this will be all for now. If this is your first time, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to get more explanation on how to use this strategy, you can watch the video that I posted last on the deep explanation video and get all the steps. In this one, I think I followed all the rules because this is a ranging market. So this is like a rally base, I mean rally, yes, rally base drop. This is something like that. This is the shape that I followed. So until next time, take care and bye bye.